Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Mobile with keyboard and mouse. First, you'll need to check if your mobile device supports USB on the go or OTG, which is crucial for wired connections. Most modern smartphones and tablets do. Next, ensure your chosen keyboard and mouse are compatible with mobile gaming. You'll also need either a USB OTG adapter for wired peripherals or a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse for a wireless setup. This initial preparation is key to a smooth gaming experience. Now, let's connect your gear. If you're using a wired setup, simply plug your USB OTG adapter into your phone or tablet, then connect your keyboard and mouse to the adapter's ports. For a wireless experience, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and pair your keyboard and mouse one by one. It's a straightforward process, usually taking less than 1 minute. Always double-check that your device recognizes both peripherals before you even think about launching Fortnite. Once connected, launch Fortnite Mobile and head straight to the settings menu. This is where you'll fine-tune your experience. Take your time to adjust mouse sensitivity. A good starting point is often around 0.5 to 1.0. Customize your keybinds to match your playstyle, ensuring every action feels natural. Also, remember to disable any touch-specific user interface elements that could clutter your screen or interfere with your keyboard and mouse inputs. To truly master Fortnite Mobile with keyboard and mouse, practice is paramount. Spend at least 15 to 20 minutes daily in creative mode to build muscle memory and adapt to the new controls. A stable surface or a dedicated mobile stand can significantly improve your comfort and precision. Finally, always ensure your device is fully charged or connected to power, especially for longer gaming sessions, to avoid any unexpected interruptions. Enjoy your enhanced mobile Fortnite experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.